Hello there, and welcome to another episode of Cody Barton, the Agent Sensation Car Sales Guide here in Berlin City, Dordt, New Hampshire. Today I'm going to show you the beautiful redesigned 2011 Honda Accord. As you will see, a lot of alterations have taken place, and it's subtle, nothing too crazy. As you know, Honda, everything they put together, it's pretty subtle, but yet practicality, performance, ease of use, and contractors always going to keep within their product that they put out. So without further ado, please follow me. Now, as you can see here, this is the front view of the Accord 2011. What's been altered is the 17-inch alloy wheels here, and also the front grille, as you can see. The back view. What's been altered is here, as you can see, the light. And this happens to be the 6-cylinder with the dual exhaust, chrome tip. Okay, this is the cockpit of the 2011 Honda Accord. See here, this is got wooded trim, and as usual, Honda has all the control here categorized, as you can see. All the button for the heaters and AC is on top, and the radios and on the bottom, and the control within reach. Back. Space in the back, the Accord is known for. A leg room and hip room down there. I want to thank you for watching my video, and keep casting some more videos in the future regarding some more Honda products here in Berlin City, Dordt, New Hampshire. If you'd like a test drive, by all means, contact me at 1-800-998-6968, 31-22-23, or you can